Yeah, this your boy Rich _ everything with an A, and you now locked in to RE Films, Mr. Uncut, Raw.
Yo, what's good with you? You already know what it is, man. Your boy Big Rich Everything. You know what I'm saying? Coming at you. I'm gonna keep this real brief, real short, real straight to the point, man. We over here, we about to mess with the onboard a little bit. I ended up pulling the transmission and the engine out. Reason being is because I wanted to take the base torque converter out, put my stall in, 3800 stall in. I already got the cam in. Pretty much everything. Actually put my pickup tube in, and then I ordered a bracket, two-way bracket that has the 2 bolts on both sides to make sure that pickup tube stayed locked into the oil pump, torqued everything down. Now it's time to clean it up, get it back in. So we're gonna jump over there, and I'm gonna cut y'all back on. Alright, so just to let y'all see right here, that's what I got going on right here. I did hit it with some brake clean down there in those little areas down there. Off in the front, we still gonna get a little bit of cleaning in right there. Of course, you seen the mess we made down there. So I got some oil dry. I'm gonna go ahead and put some oil dry down there, go ahead and get that out the way. Overall though, this right here is just dirt and everything that was built up over time. So I just figured I want to get to it a little bit quicker, so this is what I got. Went and got a wire wheel, put it on the brush. We're gonna hit that. And another thing I wanted to actually check while looking is to look at my transmission to make sure I didn't have any leaks on that, which that looks fairly well. You can see right here. Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and get it in, man. I'm gonna get this oil dry down. I'm gonna lift this hood up, so that way I can go ahead and get to working, clean it on this engine. Cause I gotta get up out of here quick today so I can actually go home, get some rest, get ready to hit this clock tomorrow, man. So y'all stay locked in. Alright, so y'all see me go from actually sitting on the front of the truck to in the truck. Pretty much where I wanted it, to be real with you, because it's gonna rain. So I wanted to get it back under the hood where I could close everything up. While I was doing that, y'all see the nice little cleanup job I put on the front, side, transmission, whole 9 yards. And I know y'all probably look at some of my shorts and hear me telling my brother that, you know, I was used to doing all this stuff outside of the truck. So one, it was a good thing I pulled it out anyway, because it's a 4th gen block. So in order for me to actually get to the actual stall bolts, I would actually end up having to pull it out anyway, just to loosen the pan up. And there's 3 bolts in your Gen 4s. So I got the stall in there, I got the cam in there, brand new timing gear, pickup tube in there, brand new gasket on the pickup tube, the double bolted brace on the pickup tube. My actual trays are in and torqued. Motor, I don't know if I left it at top dead center or not, but you can see right here everything pretty much laid out. I'll flex my transmission lines back down in there. That's as far as I'm gonna get right there today, because I'm gonna get me some rest so I can hit this clock and continue to make money. Let you see right here, I could have kept going. I'll brighten you up a little bit so you can actually see a little bit better. Brighten you up a little bit right there. I could have kept going. I don't know if you can actually see, like right there. Move my finger out the way. That's my motor mount. So this bolt here has to go here. So I'm only 2 inches off when you going back in with the transmission bolted up to the motor, I ain't gonna tell you no lie, like you gotta fight with it a little bit, because I had to go, I still got my exhaust in there. It'd have been a whole lot easier if I'd have took the headers off. I should have did that while I was actually in the middle of pulling the engine out of, if I was gonna switch the exhaust, all this other stuff. I should have did all that then, but that's neither here nor there, man. I'm not gonna put headers and stuff on this thing until I actually put the heads on there, you know, crank it up, see how it run. Then I further go on to that part as far as spending money on headers and all that. So I'm gonna start putting everything back together. This right here gonna be a short ride after this right here. Got all my bolts in place for everything that need to be bolted up. That's pretty much it, man. Harmonic balancer right there. I went through some brake cleaning this thing up, and I ain't done yet. I'll be getting and switching over to the electric fans. For those that don't know, this thing here is unlike the, you can see it, that's the actual fan that it comes with right there. So we'll be getting rid of that right there, going to probably double electric fans, wire those in there. Head gasket, intake gasket, all that stuff right there. You see, ready to go. Yep, knock me. You know what I'm saying? Walmart, I'm giving y'all a try, but yeah, y'all knock me if you want to. Everything's Super Tech. Oil filter, that's OEM oil filter, all that, but all my parts and everything right there ready to go back in. So, oh man, gotta keep up with them bolts and stuff. Gotta keep up with the bolts. So yeah, there you have it right there, man. I didn't show y'all that much of what I was doing, but and I could have put the camera on a stand and actually record like that, but you know, I didn't know whether I was gonna be here, whether I was gonna be here, whether I was gonna be here. So with it all being said and done, I just wanted to get it done out of the way so I can go home and get me some rest and then go from there, man. Plenty of projects to be worked on. This right here, we wanted to go ahead and get, and mad shout out to my brother Jamil, man. We wanted to go ahead and get this Envoy here out the way. You see it? I don't think that's a 98. I want to say that's like a 90, maybe a 96, 95, something like that. I don't know. But you see it? Yep, that's right. Going LS. So, y'all see it, man. One project after another. We're gonna keep this thing right here going, man. So y'all stay locked in, man. Hit that like button, hit that share button, hit that hit the bell for post notifications and all that, man. I'm gonna go ahead and throw a little bit more oil dry and everything down here. That was from the other day, so you know what I'm saying. I like to clean up when I work. So go ahead and get that out the way. Put this camera, those tools back in the truck, and we're gonna keep it moving. But for the most part, man, I think y'all kind of forgot what it looked like. So you see it, halo rims on there. You know what I'm saying? Most people that I see, y'all tell me, man. Tell me what y'all think. Y'all think that when I get it done, and I give y'all a full shot of it. Tell me what y'all think, man. Y'all think it, and it don't sit like this. I got it jacked up on stands right now, so it actually sit. You know what I'm saying? Like real nice on those rims. Those are 24 inches, and they ride good, because before I took this engine out, it was riding good. I just had one problem, and that was my number 7. So with that being said, man, y'all tell me what y'all think about, you know what I'm saying, snatching these off. Had a couple people say, man, throw some Trailblazer SS rims on there. You can see I left the panel down right here. Leaving the panel down right there. Yup. Got that double din in there. So the reason I got the panel down, you notice I got my jacks ran right there. Got to get them in there. All this grabbing and everything, you know what I'm saying, with the dirty hands and all that. and all that stuff. Pretty filthy. But when you get her running, man, we definitely got to clean her up, clean her out. Sub box right there, that's for a L7. A L7 goes in there. They go to old rockers, if y'all can see those right there. Black grill, I'm thinking about going back to the chrome. This is the wire I'm running right here for my power. To go to the back. That's what I got in here right now. Neither of these amps right here are running anything. My amp that I'm running is actually bolted up to the back of the box back there. So, but that's coming out. I'm going three 12s all the way across. Customizing it in there. 3 12s all the way across. I already got something in mind for that right there. So yeah, that's pretty much that, man. On that there. So, but that's beating though. This beating. I ain't even gonna tell you no lie. That's beating. Got some work to do. Still, man, like I say, dirty right now. Dirty up in the air. I can't wait to get it right. Or whatever. Y'all see it. The rest of my parts and stuff. AC parts I gotta get. There's a clamp that I gotta get. When I start putting everything back on here, I'll actually know what it is. Those valve covers, man, I'm gonna take them valve covers right there. I'm gonna take them valve covers to the house sooner or later. I'm gonna clean them valve covers right there up. They filthy. Either that or I'm just gonna order some different valve covers to go on there. But yeah, man. Shit, sunroof edition. Again, man, clean. You see the carpet? See the carpet? Gotta get that in there. These right here should be my rods. Yeah, still soaking in oil. So we're gonna get that done, man. But y'all stay locked in, man. We got a lot more to go. When I say a lot more to go, I don't mean like a ton of work, but we got some work to go. And I will say it like this right here, man. Like, I had a buddy of mine helping me, and like I said, I like to show y'all everything that I'm going through. So I had a buddy of mine helping me, and I was letting him drive. This truck did not have like all of this right here. Didn't have all that in it, but he was towing it and everything, and it was dark and raining just a little. Where he decided he wanted to cut a little too hard. So now, when we do get ready to go to the paint shop, we got to get all that right there straightened out. Which he a body man, but I think I'm gonna let my boy Dutch go ahead and touch this thing. Let y'all see what color we gonna go with a little later on, man. I'm gonna go ahead and shut this thing down so I can go ahead and get to the house. So like I said, man, y'all make sure to hit that like button, hit that share button, hit that subscribe button, man, and hit that bell for post notifications, man. Your boy Big Rich Everything. A whole lot of new stuff to come, man. Whole lot of new stuff to come. I'm gonna actually be creating a whole nother channel for other content, so I won't have to have so much mixed content on one page, man. But y'all stay locked in. Gen 4, ready to go.
Yeah, this your boy Rich _everything with an A, and you now locked in to RE Films, Mr. Uncut, Raw.